When it comes to hair with flair, no one dreams up styles like Sunny Day.
So, what'll it be? Over, under, through? Just a little...
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Constructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the KH National Service. He is coming. I repeat, he is coming. Take shelter right now. We have a suspect who has a sword weapon who killed some people in the streets. He is very, very dangerous. Do not approach this person. He can kill you very fast. You gotta run right now. He is coming for you. The emergency alert system has been activated. Take shelter now, and do not approach him.
Winds, low 67. And on Monday, sunny skies, very warm, high 89. Winds southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour.
Fly to my highs, high.